Welcome to Life at a Glance podcast. This is going to be short, sweet, but powerful. And it is how I am using GPTs in my business. So you maybe think that I'm going to share with you that I'm using for copywriting, I'm using them for sales pages, I'm using them for this. I'm actually creating them and training them as I would say, a customer service interface. So let me explain exactly what I'm talking about. So, one of the things that I have been fortunate enough to realize is that people, when they purchase, they'll purchase multiple templates. And when they purchase multiple templates, what that ends up happening is that they're like, I don't know where to start. And so, one of the things that I have done is a live call Trello Tuesday, where I introduce myself, I introduce my perspective of Trello, I introduce the board, how and it like live demo, all of those things, right? And so they're like, great, now where do I go? Now where do I stop? And this has come up multiple times. So I love my customers and I love working with my customers. My customers tell me exactly what they need. And then it's my job, which is the part that I really love, is to problem solve, to make that big, overwhelming problem very manageable. So here is what we've done, and it's launching next week. 2 GPTs. I'm going to talk about one first. So the first GPT, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to call her. I don't want to call her Help Me Rhonda because I have Help Me Rhonda on demand coaching, and I don't want that there to be a confusion between the two. But in essence, what it is that someone, and we're going to put it inside of each of the template portals so they'll be able to access it. It is basically putting the ecosystem together. And so it is a customized experience for my customer, meaning it opens up and it says basically, hey, I'm excited to help you get started in setting up the ecosystem. Please share which templates you've purchased. And it actually prompts them the templates, system by design, SOP frameworks, like all of those. And then it literally starts at the beginning. Number one, it reviews the quick link system and how it works. Okay. Number two, it always starts with the business command center and it walks them through 3 specific lists. And then it interacts with them based on what they've purchased and what their friction point is. The customer now can say, all right, I want to use Simple Social next, or I want to go Client Command Center next. And so, whichever way the client goes or the customer goes, that's the way the GPT will go. I have programmed it on all of my training, specific transcript, specific things I have trained this particular GPT. And I've given it to a handful of people just to like throw everything in the kitchen sink. If they want more information, then it leads them to my website. If they need more support, it shares with them the support email. The thing about this is, gone are the days of old school programs. Now, today, the faster you can get your customer results, winner, winner, chicken dinner, hands down. I did not realize this until I launched Low Ticket Designer. And the thing that I found with Low Ticket Designer was that people would, in the past, they would watch videos. Maybe you would have a workbook or a worksheet for them to fill out. And then between the video, the pre-recorded video, and the workbook, you as the user try to figure out how to implement that system, that task, that strategy where you are in your business. Gone, gone. And if you're still recording that way, gone. What's happening now is that literally inside of this GPT, it can deliver a custom experience based on my brain, i.e., your brain, and get your customer results faster. I have never seen anything like it. People are launching low ticket templates like crazy, and I love it. The other thing that I've done, so that's one. And let's just talk about savings and let's just talk about savings there. So it's confusion, it's inbox. So that's team, time, and then the money to pay the team, right? The cost of fulfillment, which I don't think we pay enough to. Now, here's the other thing that we're doing. So I said 2 GPTs, right? So one is installing the ecosystem. So now I have a GPT that literally they can click on, they can be on their phone, they can see how to do it. It gets them excited. It is so encouraging. Like, I love it. All right. So the other GPT, which is launching next week, is Overwhelmed to Organized. Overwhelmed to Organize actually customizes, get this, it's blowing my mind, customizes the Business Command Center. Oh my gosh, asks you a series of questions, and now you have the template. And so you have the template, and now you have the recommended customization for you and your niche. Like all of the lists that are on the Business Command Center, it will customize. These are the ones that you need, and these are the new ones that I recommend. I'm updating the Business Command Center like homepage, so the dashboard. So I will be updating that. But here is what that does. Number one, speed to implementation. It gets you excited. Like I get excited using the GPTs because they make it so easy. Number two, it will literally save me 4 hours a month. You're like, okay. It will save team 2 hours a month. It will save $200 just an initial expense of the recording. That's just time to send out the emails and the customer time. The customer time, you know, like how much do you charge an hour? If I'm saving 4 hours revenue wise, how much is that? If I'm charging $250, that's $1,000 I'm saving just with my time. With Heather's time, 30 minutes it takes her now, but she's done this so much, the system for the replay. So 30 minutes each week. So that is 2 hours, $100, $200 just in team time. And so customer gets a better experience. You save time, you leverage team time, and it creates a custom experience for the customer. Like, how do we like not win all the way around? So all of these questions swarming around, like how to use AI in your business. Yes, use GPTs for very specific tasks. And that's something that we're going to get further into in August, right? With the AI Command Center. Yep, I just let the cat out of the bag. It's coming. It's coming fast and furious. I have already 2 GPTs, one that's launching this week as well, inside of Systems by Design. One is Betty. She is a GPT. We are doing the monthly evaluation, like the monthly questions, like answer yes, no, and like get your plan. Boom. I am having so much fun doing the GPTs. And I cannot wait until the AI Command Center happens in August. But I wanted to plant the seed and show you real examples of GPTs. Number one, I guess it's the customer support is how I'm using them. It is my time saved. It is team time saved. I haven't even told you how much the GPTs have generated in terms of revenue. Haven't even, but I'll just say it's over 10,000. What? That's for another episode. I told you this was going to be a quick one. So just a quick recap, how using GPTs inside of your business, how using AI, and it's not what you think. Specifically, these 2 GPTs that I shared with you, one is helping the customer put together all of the things that they purchased in the funnel. And the other is helping the customer customize an experience for themselves. Saves me time, saves team time, but more importantly, the thing that I love, it enhances the customer journey, it enhances the customer experience. All right. So if you want more information, I don't even know, it's not even like the AI Command Center, it's like not even available yet. But all I'm going to say is like, keep listening. And I guess if you want to experience the GPTs, is one is inside of Systems by Design, and two is inside of Low Ticket Designer. And I'm going to put links right below this video. All right. Until next week.